Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Nick from NorthCode. Today we're going to be talking about Cardano 88, and we're going to be looking into the charts, the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour. If you're not following us on social media, please make sure to click the links that you can see on the screen. This is our Telegram channel. We have a growing community of over 680 members. We're also on Instagram, NorthCode Crypto, as well as Twitter, NorthCode Crypto. You can also find us on Patreon, and you can also visit our website at northcodecrypto.com for other useful links and information. So let's jump into some news first. Cardano's price has been surging, and the reason being is due to SundaeSwap. Now, SundaeSwap is a decentralized exchange. This is the first decentralized exchange to be launched on Cardano's blockchain. SundaeSwap, like other decentralized exchanges, uses smart contracts to match token trades between users and distributes a portion of trading fees back to the investors who provide liquidity to the platform. This process is commonly known as yield farming. Now, exchange users can earn Sunday rewards in the first 6 months following SundaeSwap's launch. All right, so let's take a look at the charts. Looking at ADA on the weekly, we can see a few things have started to play out. First off, we have this channel that the price action is currently trading inside. We've also seen that price action has rejected off the 50 MA and the 34 EMA. Right now, price action on the weekly is trading under the 8 EMA, and the 8 EMA has been a great guide where the price action is going. And you can see from this trend, it is currently down. What we need to see is further confirmation of a move to break above, or price action will continue to dip lower towards the support line. What I'm looking for from here, from the bulls, is for price action over the next couple of weeks to start to make moves above these MAs. And when price action hits the top of the trend line, this is where we're most likely going to see a rejection, but this rejection would be a higher high, and then I would be looking for the throwback to the support line here to create that higher low, and then a potential move to break above. Looking at ADA on the D1, what we can see is that the price action is currently still in a downtrend. Price has rejected at about the 2.37 level, came back down, found support, and has recently pumped back to that same trend line and rejected at the 1.6 level. Price action is also currently well below the 200-day moving average. If we calculate how many days price action has been under the 200 MA, currently we're working at about 58 days since price action broke below and stayed below the 200-day moving average. What I'd like to see is price action to get back above the 200 MA. This would then signal a stronger move for the bulls. If we look for some more positives, when the price action closed yesterday, this candle closed above the previous lower high, which in theory is a bullish form of price action. As you can see now, we have that rejection off that trend line, and price action is coming back down for a throwback, back to a key level of about 1.4. Price action is currently trading above the 50 MA and the 20 SMA, with the 8 EMA providing strength in this uptrend move. So even if price action were to dip a little lower, I would expect it to tackle this area right here for that throwback. Now, if we zoom out, what we can see is that there is a level of support in that dollar range. Every time price action dipped into this zone, which is our demand zone, price action immediately got bought back up. Price action dipped to the 200 MA, deviated underneath the 200 MA, still in this zone. This is known as a spring. Price got bought back up, and you can see it went on a run. Right now, we've seen that price action dipped again back into the zone on January 10th for a day or two and immediately got bought back up. Another bullish case for ADA right now is the double Eve pattern, which is right here and right here. If we calculate the fractal depth of this move when it rejected off the 50 MA to the base down here at about $1.07, this gives us a projected price of around $2.10, which puts us in line with the confluence of this resistance right here. Of course, price action still has to make its move up and work past the 200 MA. However, the full move of this fractal, the double Eve pattern, should put ADA's price back above $2. If we zoom in on the 4-hour, we can see that price action was supported in the reversal by the 8 EMA. Now, price action rejected at about the 1.6 range and has come back down to retest the 20 SMA. If the 20 SMA were to give out, I would anticipate this demand zone to come back in play, which has confluence with the 34 EMA. So what am I looking for now in the future? Well, for starters, what I'd like to see is price action find some support in this demand zone at the very least and continue to create higher highs and higher lows. These higher highs would then start to wipe out the previous lower highs in formations around here and around here. Now, we also know that the 200 MA is playing a level of resistance, and that's sitting at about 1.8. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn notifications on. I hope you enjoyed my analysis on Cardano for today. Take care.